Hello students, today we will study lesson 4 of GK. Lesson 4 is, the name of lesson 4 is They Once Existed. In this lesson we have to study about those animals which have been disappeared from earth, from our neighborhood, or in recent time, or several 100,000 years ago. So, the first question comes in mind that why this is necessary to study them? Because they are nowhere. Because we have to study because their disappearance should cause concern for us, because they are creature like us. This shows that something going wrong in the environment which we should take care of. Otherwise, it can affect us also. And it affects us too. Like if anything happens with vulture, we should study why they have been disappeared. This can help us to find out what is the reason behind their disappearance. So, the introduction of this lesson says that the history of animals is very fascinating. It shows not only how some animals that existed several thousand years ago exist today in an altered state, but also how some animals have become extinct because of climatic change, natural disaster, and human intervention. इंट्रोडक्शन से जानवरों का जो इतिहास है वो अद्भुत और आश्चर्यचकित करने वाला है। जो जानवर, हम दो जानवरों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। एक वैसे जानवर जो पहले थे, अभी भी हैं, लेकिन वो बदले हुए रूप में हैं। दूसरी टाइप के वो जानवर हैं जो टोटली डिसअपीयर्ड हो चुके हैं। In this lesson, there is description given and pictures given. You have to match them and write a alphabets which the animals are denoted, through which animals are denoted. It is A, B, C, D, E. So, the first description we will learn is written. Half horse and half zebra, this unique South African animal derives its name from its call, which sounds like quaha. आधे घोड़े और आधे जेब्रा की तरह दिखने वाले ये जानवर हैं, साउथ अफ्रीकन एनिमल्स हैं, जो बोलते हैं तो आवाज़ क्वाहा की निकलती है। क्वाहा की आवाज़ निकलती है। Which is the animal we have to find out. While looking into the picture, we can see this animal which is showing on screen, that is zebra-like animal. It is only zebra-like animal in the lesson. So simply this will be your answer. The name of this animal is quagga, and it sounds like quaha. So its name is quagga. We will write quagga. Second is, this animal got its name from its huge, long, curved canine which had short leg and small tail. दूसरा जो एनिमल है, इसका जो नाम पड़ा है इसके दांत की बनावट पे पड़ा है, टीथ की बनावट पे, क्योंकि इसके जो टीथ हैं बहुत लंबे कर्व्ड कैनाइन्स हैं और इनके पैर छोटे होते हैं और एक छोटी पूंछ होती है. So when we see the picture, there is only one animal which have a long tooth. The animal name is saber-toothed cat. Animal name is saber-toothed cat. Means कृपाण की तरह दिखने वाले जानवर, कृपाण की तरह दांत वाले जानवर. So we will write saber-toothed cat, which is denoted by small c. So we will write small c in the bracket given under the description. Third animal is also called the buccado. This Iberian wild goat had distinct big thick horns. It inhabited the mountains in southern France and Spain. It inhabited the mountains in southern France and Spain. जो तीसरा एनिमल है इसका दूसरा नाम बकार्डो भी है और ये आइबेरियन वाइल्ड गोट है जो जिसके सींग जो हैं बड़े हैं और मोटे हैं और ये कहाँ रहती है? माउंटेन्स इन साउदर्न फ्रांस एंड स्पेन. So we can simply by seeing the pictures we can say this is Pyrenean ibex because this picture only resembles a goat. But here this is important to know that you can learn one more thing, that is why it is named Pyrenean ibex. Pyrenean is taken from Pyrenees, which is a name of mountains which share boundaries of Spain and France. This is part 1 of lesson 4. We will meet in next part. Till then, thank you.